welcome back. On previous video, I created 3 different thumbnails for video. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you how the test and compare works in YouTube Studio Desktop. So here we are in Studio Desktop. I'm in the content page, and this file right here, this video right here, recovering programs, it just has a picture of a USB to HDMI device, which is one of the screen grabs it did. So let's go ahead into details. In details, we have the title and description that I did in my ChatGPT video. And you can upload a file, you can auto-generate, which is what is done here, or you can test and compare. Test and compare is similar to the upload file, except when you click on it, you get 3 blocks to import files. So I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop each of these PNG files, PNG 1, 2, and 3, into the website. And these are my 3 thumbnails. I hit done, and it's showing a segment of each in this little window. I hit save, and it's showing that other one of the thumbnails. It will rotate through each of these, and I've done those with each of these videos also. And I'll do a follow-up video on if any of those have been deemed worthy. In the past, if I don't get enough views, it comes back inconclusive. This video is scheduled to come out on October 30th, and the analytics for that is found in the analytics page under reach. Right now it's saying test cannot start due to ineligibility, and it's not eligible because it's not a public video. It's still private, it's scheduled. So let's take a look at one of the ones I currently have a test going for. So this is a video I had published on October 9th. It's now the 12th. And right here, it's saying that there is 11 days, 3 hours left, but it's also saying not enough information to display data. I only have 20 something views on this, so that's where that comes into play. So go ahead and subscribe so you can see how this test actually comes back, and if there's any relevant data to report back. Thank you for watching this video. You have a great day.